Ecosystems Pretest. Write your name and select your teacher's name, Jones, Britt, or Richard. First question. A group of individuals of the same species that occupies a given area at the same time is a or an organism, population, community, ecosystem. In areas where the land meets the sea in coastal areas, blank are common. Salt marshes, freshwater ponds, mud, rivers. A body of water shallow enough to allow plant roots to reach the bottom is called a pond, lake, river, ocean. A pond and a lake are different because a pond is bigger and more shallow. A pond is shallow and deeper. A lake is larger and deeper. A lake is smaller and deeper. Which of the following ecosystems would be least likely to exist in North Carolina? Again, that question is, which of the following ecosystems would be least likely to exist in North Carolina? Grasslands, forest, salt marsh, lake. Why are desert plants different than most plants? They receive less water and must compensate for the reduction of water. They receive too much water. Too many animals try to eat these plants. They grow too fast. Every single organism requires the blank for survival. Wind, clouds, sun, land. Organisms that make their own energy are called producers, consumers, filter feeders, omnivores. Some biotic factors of a community would include trees, rabbits, owls, all of the above. All of the following are factors that affect the producers in a community except type of soil present, sunlight, water availability, presence of worms. The group of organisms that represents the producers is perch, frog, tadpole, insect, crustacean, tadpole, plant, perch, tadpole, none of the above. Which animal is an omnivore? A lion that eats deer and sheep, a rabbit that eats grass and weeds, a bear that eats berries and fish, a shark that eats fish and seals. Study this picture. An abiotic element of this environment is the seagull, pelican, water, sand dollar. The ecosystem in the picture would best be described as a or an desert, ocean, tundra, grassland. Look at this food chain. Blank, grasshopper, snake, hawk. Which element is missing from the food chain? Mushroom, prairie grass, spider, mouse. An organism which feeds only on producers is a carnivore, an herbivore, an omnivore, a monster. Which of the following populations would be found in the tundra? Kangaroos, rats, jackrabbits, bears, deer, birds, foxes, lizards, snakes, reindeer, caribou, Arctic foxes. Which of the following might belong in Circle 2? Populations and ecosystems. Look at the food web below. The arrows point from the energy providers to the energy users. Grass, 1, lion. Light, 2, deer. Which of the following might belong in Circle 2? Shrub, light, water, zebra. Which of the following might belong in Circle 1? And we have the same picture again. And choices are shrub, light, water, zebra. Which of the following might belong in Circle 1? Shrub, light, water, or zebra? Next question. Which biome is characterized by moderate temperatures, moderate rainfall amounts, trees that drop their leaves in winter, and the presence of deer? Taiga, grasslands, deciduous forests, tundra. In an ecosystem, vultures would be classified as producers, consumers, scavengers, decomposers. Which of the following factors increase the likelihood of a species becoming established in an area? The ability to find food, the ability to reproduce, the ability to survive fights, all of these. A hawk carries a field mouse to its nest to feed its young. The hawk is a herbivore, a carnivore, an omnivore, none of these. Which of the following letters represent producers in the food web? A, B, C. And our choices are A, B, C, B, and C. Which of the following letters represent producers in the food web? And last two questions are short answer. And the last one is long answer text. Write your own answers for both. First question. Write an example of a predator-prey relationship. Be sure to indicate which is the predator and the prey. And last question. Why are decomposers important to the ecosystem?